Okay, it's got everything ripped out. Subs. Can't really see it, but that's the fucked up one. Amp rack. Old box. New box. Here's Chrome.
Yeah! 15 minutes, baby!
Rip this shit out in 15 minutes. Just ripping off the foam on the top right now. Here's how she sits. Battery's just gonna stay in there for charging purposes. Hey look, I'm JP.
I love Jonathan Price. I'm down for sound.
We need a 12-year-old to hit the hammer now. Like in the video, in his video. But yeah. Subs are gonna ship out Monday. Oh yeah. Anyways, keep you updated.